Here in this video we are going to talk about solar cell. But before that I want to talk about different technologies which are in at present research level. Okay, so future interstellar travels will become possible in any bodies in a human's lifespan only if these technologies become the reality. Okay, scientists are working on all these technologies, different scientists. The technologies are ion propulsion technology, then comes nuclear thermal propulsion, solar cell, Vasimir. The full form of Vasimir is variable specific impulse magnetoplasma rocket, and then comes fusion propulsion, and then beamed energy propulsion is there, and propellant-less propulsion. In case of the last one, propellant-less propulsion, yes, propellants will be used in that concept. Okay, propellants will be used, but there will be no exhaust from those propellants. That is the concept. Anyway, I am not going to talk about all these points here. Here in this video, I want to concentrate on or focus on only on solar cell technology. Already NASA has made certain attempts using this solar cell concept. You know solar cell on boats, moving on rivers, on water. Okay, cells are used. You have seen same thing. Cells are used here for spacecrafts. Okay, here normally cells are made of aluminium, mylar, means lightweight materials are required to reduce the payload of the spacecraft. Lightweight materials are required, and next thing is large surface area is required to use sunlight. To use sunlight to propel the spacecraft. In case of solar cell technology, what is the main technology here? Here, the propulsion takes place by the sunlight. From sunlight, what we are getting? From sunlight, we get photons, light rays. That means you know that light rays are composed of photons. So photons fall on the surface of the cell of the spacecraft, and by transferring momentum to the cells, thrust is generated. Okay, so using that concept, already scientists have been able to make certain spacecrafts or certain satellites to use this solar power or the power of sunlight to propel their spacecrafts or satellites. One example I want to give you, that is NanoCell D mission, okay, by NASA. So there they used solar power for that satellite, and the surface area of the cell was only 10 square meter, 10 square meter area. Okay, so such a small area was there, and the lifespan of that mission was only around 7 days. Okay, it is a low orbit satellite. The perigee of which was almost 330 kilometer, and the apogee was around 685 kilometer from Earth. Okay, means with respect to Earth, perigee and apogee, these are measured. You know this thing. Perigee means the shortest distance from the planet, and here we are talking about Earth, and apogee means the farthest distance from the planet. And here for this NanoCell D, it is Earth. the planet is Earth. Anyway, so in case of solar cells, which are used for the propulsion of spacecrafts, the energy of the photon is used. Okay, so you know the speed of photon through vacuum. Okay, so sunlight impinges upon the cells of the solar cell and it transfers momentum, and when rays fall upon the surface of the solar cells, there is some part will be reflected back and some part will be absorbed. So by using this energy, okay, solar cells or the spacecraft with solar cells, solar cell powered spacecrafts are propelled. Anyway, so the technology is known to you, and the main problem is the design of the spacecraft. Challenges are in making lightweight spacecrafts. So development in the field of material science is required. At present, for certain solar cells, mylar, aluminium, etc. are used. Still, lighter than these are required for traveling to vast distances. Means from one star to another, from our solar system to another sun system, another star system. Okay, and that is called interstellar travel. So, and to generate huge thrust, means if you want to achieve high speeds, then in that case huge thrust is required, and to generate huge thrust, large surface area of the solar cells are required. That is the problem with this technology. Okay, large surface areas are required because as compared to chemical rockets, thrust produced by solar cells are comparatively less. Okay, that's why it is challenging. But one advantage is that, and just used to that advantage, scientists are working on this technology. Okay, because there will be no need to carry chemical fuels with these spacecrafts. But if you move away from our sun, the sunlight received by the sun will be less. Anyway, I am not going into the details of this technology. My aim of making this video was to give you an idea about what? About the possibility of using this power of sun or the sunlight to propel spacecrafts. That was the aim of making this video, and you know that light also can apply pressure, and by using that pressure, spacecrafts can be propelled. And if you, in future, with the advancements of technologies, okay, I think this will become possible to travel to any distance by using this technology, though there are so many technologies. Okay, there are so many technologies which are in research level, and I have already read out the names of those technologies. Anyway, so this was all about the concept of using solar cell for the propulsion of spacecrafts. Anyway, this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.